One of my favorite dishes in the fall is butternut squash and Brussels sprouts all roasted together. This is delicious. It's easy to make. It's easy to make 3/4 of the way and finish the cooking. So if you need a nice dish, this is a good one. And it's not that hard to make. I've preheated my oven to 400 degrees. I put foil down on a baking sheet because I don't like to clean up. Now we want to cut this into about 1-inch cube. Push. No problem at all. We're just going to get rid of the seeds on these. Super easy. If you need to cook this in a hurry, cut it smaller. But you see, I'm just cutting this up now, and you can do twosies. All right, let's get this ready for the oven. Just a little drizzle. I'm just swishing these around to get the oil coating everything. And it's 2 reasons: to give it that caramelization in the oven, but also so the seasoning will stick to it easily, okay? Then you're gonna put it in a 400-degree oven. Check about after 15 minutes or so and flip those vegetables. They'll be done in another 10 or 15 minutes or so. Enjoy these fall flavors.